Okay, hi guys, I'm Philip. So now we're gonna put image into this shape or this pattern. Okay, we're gonna put something like this. Okay, something like this. Okay, put in here. So the customer can see the board. Okay, so very simple. You may come to here first. Okay, delete this one existing. Okay, delete. Okay. First you click on first you need to know the size lah. This one is the width, this one is the height. Okay, the size of the panel after you import already. Here, after you import to this panel using panel point edit, right? Using panel point edit, you import already. You must know the size. Okay, exactly same. Okay, so now we're gonna come to here. Okay, import the image. Okay, go to texture, publish. Okay, just give a name lah, car. So I put TS. So I put Japanese. Simply put this one. Okay, this one I simply select lah. Simply select one. Okay. Then this one is the important thing lah, texture size lah. Remember, follow back your AutoCAD. Okay, so this one is 3960. This one is the height. Okay, 3000. Okay, if you do not follow this height and size, then you may come out something like this. Okay, you see, you may come out something like this. So now we follow back. Okay, come back here. Okay, then after that you upload the texture. Upload. Okay, so I'll select the classification. Remember this one. If not, cannot show. Submit. Okay, after submit already, so you come to here. Okay, so same thing, click on the board, right click, material. Okay, we need material, so go to my, or like I teach you to go to my, or just simple as that. Okay, go to this one, frozen, the folder. I categorize it and click on the picture, select. Okay, so it occur, must follow the size lah, how you cut, must follow the size and the picture. So if you want to rotate the picture, or you may right click. Okay, you can rotate the picture accordingly. This one, or you press this one, stretch it, or sometimes it come out like this, then you may stretch it. Okay, usually we'll follow the size lah. Okay, usually we'll follow the size, or you can rotate it, arbitrary rotate. Okay, let's say I put 0. Okay, so sometimes you come out like this, never mind, don't set. So you can right click, or material, arbitrary rotate, or rotate it 180. Click on it. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.